everybody. Today we're going to make really simple, easy lasagna recipe. It's a recipe from my grandmother. So it only uses a few ingredients. It'll probably take 10 minutes to make, but it's quite tasty, quick and easy to make. So perfect for getting it done very quickly before practice or something. So the first thing we're going to do is take our noodles. We're going to put them in boiling water. We're probably only need 9 noodles for the whole dish, so our lasagna noodles. But put 10 or 11 in there just in case some stick or tear, and then just get them boiling down to packaging directions until they start to get soft, and then we'll come back and drain those. The noodles are boiling. We're going to take all the cottage cheese. So we got 2 containers of cottage cheese. We'll just add it to the bowl. Then we're going to take our 2 cans of tomato paste and we'll add that to it. And then once we've added that, we just mix it up, and this makes pretty much the base of the whole lasagna dish. So we'll come back in a minute with the next step. Our noodles are soft. We're just going to drain it, rinse it off a little bit. And they just need to be soft. They don't need to be fully cooked because we're going to cook it for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, so we'll layer 3 noodles down on the bottom. We'll spoon half of the mixture that we got of cottage cheese and tomato paste into the dish. Okay. During the time, you can either shred your own cheese or just get some pre-shredded mozzarella cheese, and we'll just add a layer of that onto this. Okay, I'll add 3 more noodles. And we're going to add the rest of the mix. Okay, add some more mozzarella cheese on top of this. We'll add 1 more layer, and then add a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of that as well. Okay, this will then go in the oven, 350 for about 30-35 minutes. There's no meat in it, so just until it's the cheese is melted and it's kind of bubbling on the sides. There's the finished product. So it should serve a bunch of servings. You can keep it in the fridge, pack for lunch, and should last for a little while. So we'll see you guys next week.